Really low energy, brain fog, and inflammation.
I used to have issues with sleeping at night. My knees would hurt and wake me up in the middle of the night.
My health has been slowly declining.
We moved to this other city and I thought the water tasted like cool water.
Did you know the EPA allows for a certain amount of feces to be in everyday drinking water?
So we decided to search for a good water filter.
All right, so this is my Tyent.
My Tyent.
The Tyent hydrogen water is unbelievable.
And the benefits of hydrogen water are
The studies on hydrogen water and neuroinflammatory disease and chronic inflammation are astounding.
Want better water? Then dare to compare what you're currently drinking to what I'm about to show you. Did you know you can have better water that is cleaner, healthier, and offers more benefits than any bottled water, alkaline bottled water, or water pitcher on the planet? What type of benefits? What I'm talking about is Tyent Water, which contains therapeutic levels of molecular hydrogen and is a super antioxidant. This is not just a theory. In fact, there are over 1,000 scientific studies and peer-reviewed articles on the powerful benefits of molecular hydrogen, which has been shown to give you more energy, improve focus, anti-aging results, and much more.
Gives us way more energy. There's the little guy just there.
I feel more energized. I drink water more often.
Was able to go on a hike for 7 miles.
So much more energy. I sleep better at night. I have no more brain fog. My skin looks better.
Were miracle studies, and there were several on joint pain that I just found astounding, where people were reporting complete remission.
My knees I do not wake up at night with hurt knees.
Tyent's ultrafiltration with Dialpure removes over 200 gross contaminants too.
The water tastes amazing. I've recommended it to so many of my friends. They come in and they all want to drink my water.
My kids love it too. They love to press the buttons and they're drinking more water than ever before.
See why Tyent is #1 rated with retailers and featured in the $1 million homes of celebrities, pro athletes, and chart-topping singers.
Tyent water system has, that people don't realize, is it's loaded with antioxidants.
We just had the brand new Tyent Water Ionizer installed. I have more energy, my voice feels better, I feel more hydrated all overall.
Well, I play professional sports and I coach professional sports. Probably players that are special. Your Hall of Famers would be Tom Brady or Drew Brees. An alkaline body recovers and heals faster. Tom Brady was using alkaline water when he first showed up to work with us.
Check out this water machine. We got the Tyent water machine.
Every time I step into a cage, I know that hydration is never going to be a problem because my body's fueled with Tyent water.
So I've been using this specific company for 10 years.
Check out Tyent and feel the bang.
If I, again, could drink only one type of water, it would be hydrogenated water.
It's that combination that really leads to a patient starting to heal faster, and what we have seen now when they use Tyent ionized water to recover. At the end of the day, science speaks for itself. And frankly, Tyent ionized water is where it's at.
If you want to make sure you get the healthiest, cleanest, safest, best water on the planet with the most antioxidants, the highest alkalinity, and the most molecular hydrogen, then you need this. And you need it now, and I'm going to tell you how to get it. This is a game changer. Click the link below and learn more how to get yours right now.